best seller here in the Hungry Bastard is the Dying Burger. Dying Burger.
Off na.
No power?
Power interruption between 8 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. OMG. What are we going to do now?
What's up guys? Another day, another vlog. We don't have any power or electricity here right now for 9 hours.
7 hours.
7 hours?
Yeah, 7 hours.
Okay, 7 hours more. Alright, so we will go to the mall. But before we go to the mall, let's eat first.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
No power, huh? They are all here, or we are all here in SM. Parking space are full.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Parking space. Oh my goodness. Because all are here. No power. Kaya lahat nandito.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Tomb Raider.
Mas matatapot ng 6:30. Oh my god.
Malik.
Lots of people. Anong gusto mo? Oreo? Oreo? Okay. Ooh. Harap. Sarap, sarap.
What? Oreo. Ang ginagawa mo?
Seller here is dying burger. Again guys, good evening. We are having
Wala
our,
siya.
we are
Hindi ako
having our
nakatigil na mga french fries ah.
dinner. We
Ay,
are having
steal your burger.
barbecue, burger, fries, wala na, ubos na yung fries, of course beer. Let's try this one. This is you tutok mo, tutok mo. Okay. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for your time. As usual, please like, comment below, share.